Welcome to iMovie 10 Basics. All right, so in this tutorial, we're going to learn about transitions. All right, so in your project, you should have an intro video and 3 of your pictures, and each of your pictures should be around 3 seconds long. This one looks like it's 3.5, but that's okay. All right, if you haven't done this and you want to be with our project and stuff like that to stay with us, go back a few tutorials and you can watch those. All right, so let's get started. This is real quick. All right, so transitions. This is how your screen might look. Just go over here on the left or the content library and click on transitions. Up here, you have all your different transitions. And you can just go through them. If you click over it and you just drag, it'll tell you what it will look like between the different clips. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to, when you want to pick one, just select it. And then you just pull it down into where you want it. I want it between these first two. And it should give me a little bit of the cross dissolve that it's talking about. If I just press my spacebar and play, and it looks like it does just fine from there. At the beginning, I kind of also want this to have a transition in the beginning, so it just doesn't all of a sudden it's just me. I kind of want a little bit of a transition in. So if I just do like a fade to black, well, I'm not fading anything, but that's okay. If I put it in front of it, I should have fade from black into my video, which is kind of cool. Also, if you want to change the actual like duration or the time of each transition, all you do is just click it, double click it, and then all of a sudden this thing will show up. Let's just say I want to add 2 seconds, and I just say apply. It can also apply it to all if I want all my transitions to be that way. And then let's see if you play it again. Okay, so that was the cross dissolve there. It might mess with some of your times, like this was before 3.5, now it's 2.5. Remember how to change that? Was you just select the clip, press adjust, go to the eye, and you can change that back to whatever you want it to be. Now let's change that back to 2.9 seconds. If I pull this a little more, I'm back to the 3 that the project needs. Okay, so for this assignment, all you need to do is you need to add a transition at the beginning, and then a transition at each one of these, between each different picture, and then one also at the end. So you're going to be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 transitions. And that's your assignment. Thanks.